I am R.C. Jain, Associate Professor in Shahid Bhagat Singh College. In my last lecture, I discussed various terms which are being used in cost accounting. Today, I am taking what are the objects of the cost accounting. Objects of the cost accounting. Ascertainment of the cost. It is very important because ultimately cost is the primary information on which that comes control and deduction of the cost. Third is guide to the business policy. Next, determination of the selling price. And last, measuring and improving performance. When we say guide to the business policy, it is guidance to management for various managerial decisions. So that's why costing is known as a managerial tool. When we come to measuring and improving performance, it measures efficiency by classifying and analyzing cost data. Whatever cost data is with us, we analyze it, we classify it. And these are the objects of the cost accounts. Thank you.